is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snipe, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Dumbledore, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Dumbledore, Hermione, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Hermione, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, Severus Snape, Dumbledore, that's me, Snape, Harry, Dumbledore, Hermione, singing our song all day long at Hogwarts. I found the source of the ticking. It's a pipe bomb. Voldemort, Voldemort, Voldemort.